Staying high, healthy, and happy at 180 McFarland in Mount Forest is not a difficult achievement. Come take a look at this gorgeous Cape Cod home. It's got 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a gorgeous workshop, and 3/4 of an acre. It's beautiful, and you really can't miss it. After you. As you enter this newly renovated home, you'll notice how bright and open the kitchen and breakfast area are. With a large butcher block island, cooking for the family will be a pleasure. The living and dining room are bright, open, and inviting. Upstairs, you will find your large master bedroom with a large walk-in closet. The kids' rooms are also spacious with big closets. The basement has large windows and features 2 more rooms to use as you see fit. With this gorgeous open concept kitchen, renovated bathrooms, a workshop with a loft, and a beautifully finished basement, this home is to die for, and you shouldn't miss it. Outside is where your love of country can truly shine. Whether it's summer, spring, fall, or winter, your land will provide endless hours of enjoyment, building memories with family, growing food to share, building fires for warmth, and climbing your trees for fun. There are so many features about this property that I adore. Specifically, backing onto this farmer's field, not only do you get an opportunity to watch the July Mount Forest Fireworks Festival, which is renowned in the region, but you also get to enjoy gorgeous sunsets in the evenings from your gorgeous patio or even from this nice warm hot tub. Don't miss out on this property. It's the perfect Canadian dream wrapped up in a pretty bow just for you. Mount Forest has every amenity a growing family could need, from a community hospital and health clinic, public and Catholic schools, a quaint downtown for local shopping, as well as big box stores like Canadian Tire, No Frills, Home Hardware, and much, much more. So living on top of Ontario isn't so bad. If you like this house and you like this community, now's the time. Come take a look at 180 McFarland.